Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a quick solution for a small but annoying problem. If you have ever copied something from ChatGPT into Notes app on your iPhone, you might notice that the formatting looks weird, like broken spacing, missing bullets, or messy alignment. I'll show you an example here. We are in ChatGPT now. I'm trying to copy all of the information and paste into notes. So copy and paste into notes. You will see the problem I mentioned above, the messy alignment. And here is how I fixed it. Come to ChatGPT. Instead of copy, you select share and select copy from this screen and paste it into notes. This should solve your problem. The formatting looks alright now. Hope this helps. If this works for you, give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.